JCL Introduction.
JCL Structure.
JCL statements are coded in 80 bytes. Column 1 and 2 are called as identifier field, mandatory to write a JCL program. From column 3 to 10 are called as name field. We can call it as job ID also. From column 12 to 15 called as operation field. From column 17 to 72 called as operand field. From column 73 to 80 called as continuation field. 72 of the 80 columns are available to code JCL. Last 8 columns are reserved for an optional sequence number. Each JCL statement is divided into several fields. // are called as identifiers. Job name is called as name field. Job in the operation field. Operand consists of positional and keyword parameters.
Identifier field.
The identifier field identifies a record as a JCL statement. For most JCL statements, the identifier field occupies the first 2 character positions and must contain 2 slashes, // There are 2 exceptions. First, the delimiter statement has a slash in column 1 and an asterisk in column 2, /*. Second, the identifier field for a comment statement is 3 characters long. The first 2 columns contain slashes, and the third contains an asterisk, /*.
Name field. The name field associates a name with a JCL statement. It is not mandatory everywhere, but it is always required on a job statement, where it supplies a name for a job. A name field must begin in column 3, right after the identifier field. It consists of 1 to 8 characters, which may be letters, numbers or national characters, hashtag, @ and $. Also, the first character of a name should be a letter or a national character. Name field incorrect values. Here the name field is of length 9 characters, hence we are getting overlong name field. Here the name field begins with a numeric value. Hence we are getting illegal name field. Operation field.
Job, exec, and DD are the different operation fields. This field can be coded anywhere in the JCL, but it should be separated from the name field by at least 1 blank. However, conventionally, the operation field should be started in column 12.
Parameters field.
The parameters field begins at least 1 position after the end of the operation field and can extend into column 71. Within the parameters field, we have to code 1 or more parameters that supply information that influences how the statement is processed. When a parameters field consists of more than 1 parameter, the individual parameters should be separated with commas. Types of parameters: positional and keyword parameter.
Positional parameters.
A positional parameter consists of characters that appear in uppercase in the syntax and must be coded as shown, variable information, or a combination, // for example, data on a DD statement, programmer's name on a job statement, PGM equals program name on an exec statement. Code positional parameters first in the parameter field in the order shown in the syntax, // C92369 MD job A123, MD Edutech, class equals A. If you omit a positional parameter and code a following positional parameter, code a comma to indicate the omitted parameter.
Keyword parameters.
A keyword consists of characters that appear in uppercase in the syntax and must be coded as shown followed by an equal sign followed by either characters that must be coded as shown or variable information. Example, RD equals R and MIC class equals class name on the job statement. Code any of the keyword parameters for a statement in any order in the parameter field after the positional parameters. Experience is the name everyone gives to their mistakes. Support our efforts. Appreciate our struggle. Be with us. Make a note. Share our efforts.
Contact us in this social media platforms.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down. Bye-bye.